Why is it crucial to reduce operation costs? Every successful business understands the importance of keeping expenses in check. And today, we're delving into 10 simple yet effective steps to reduce the operational costs of your company. Step 1. Streamline processes. Look at the business operations critically. Identify redundancies, inefficiencies, and areas that require improvement. Streamlining processes can lead to significant cost savings. Step 2. Go green. Adopting sustainable practices not only benefits the environment, but also your bottom line. From conserving energy to reducing waste, there are numerous ways to make your business more eco-friendly while saving money. Step 3. Automate. Embrace technology. Automation can help reduce labor costs, increase efficiency, and reduce errors. It's a win-win situation. Step 4. Negotiate with suppliers. Don't accept the first price. Negotiate better terms or look for alternative suppliers who offer better value for money. Step 5. Outsource. Certain tasks can be more cost-effectively managed by external experts. Outsourcing can free up resources and allow your team to focus on core business activities. Step 6. Regularly review expenses. Regularly reviewing and categorizing your expenses can help identify unnecessary costs and opportunities for savings. Step 7. Invest in training. Well-trained employees make fewer mistakes, work more efficiently, and contribute more to the business. The return on investment can be substantial. Step 8. Optimize space utilization. Whether it's office space, warehouse, or retail, make sure you're optimizing every square foot. Step 9. Implement preventive maintenance. Regular maintenance of equipment can prevent costly breakdowns and extend the life of your assets. And finally, Step 10. Encourage a cost-saving culture. Involve your team in cost-saving initiatives. Encourage ideas and reward efforts that lead to cost savings. These 10 steps form a comprehensive strategy to reduce operational costs. By streamlining processes, going green, automating, negotiating with suppliers, outsourcing, reviewing expenses regularly, investing in training, optimizing space utilization, implementing preventive maintenance, and encouraging a cost-saving culture, you enhance not only the financial health of your business, but also its operational efficiency and sustainability. Reducing operational costs doesn't mean compromising quality or service. It's about working smarter, not harder. It's about making informed decisions and strategic choices that will lead to a more profitable and sustainable business. Remember, every penny saved is a penny earned. So start implementing these steps today and watch your bottom line grow. Voiceover. At this point, you might be wondering, how can I make all this happen? Fear not, because AlphaFam Management Consulting is here to help. We are experts in navigating the complex waters of cost reduction. With our guidance, you can implement these strategies effectively and efficiently. We understand that every organization is unique, and we customize our approach to fit your specific needs. So why wait? Partner with AlphaFam Management Consulting today, and let us help you turn those saved pennies into dollars.